Do you have a 12mm wrench?
Yeah, make it snappy.
Right. It's on time? Or is it recording? Oh, it's recording. Just trying to get comfortable.
Hey man,
What's up?
you see the bride seat finally came in?
Oh shit, the bride seat came in?
Yeah, it said authentic bride seat from Japan.
Fuck. This is the bride seat, bro?
Yeah, it just has a little, you know.
Hey, bro, what the fuck? Hey.
Oh shit, my bad.
Hey, did we get a discount for this though?
What?
Did we get a discount at least?
Nah, it was 100.
100?
Yeah.
Oh shit, it's not bad. I told you to get red though. I mean,
Nah, the car's already red.
alright, I guess you're right. Bro, you look so. Alright, so, it's fucking filthy in here. We got M&M's, we got fucking, what was that, like coffee stain. We got pretzel over here. I think it's a shit stain actually. We got some cum stains over here. Hey Leo, think this car would start if I stuck my dick in the spark plug?
You have to stick it in this one, and then that one, and then with your tongue,
The fuck?
put it in there. Then it'll start.
Alright.
The lid finally came in.
The lip came in?
Yeah, the lid came in.
Was that the eBay lip?
Yeah, it's the eBay lid. We just gotta straighten it out. Yeah. You believe that bullshit?
Wait, what is this?
A supercharger?
Turbo.
Oh, it's a turbo?
Yeah.
My bad. I don't really know about cars. I'm just here to look ugly.
Are you gonna put your bimbo brakes on your?
Yeah, we got the bimbo brakes on right now, actually.
You do?
See?
You didn't put it
Bimbo.
on?
Yeah, the bimbo brakes.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, Bimbo?
Nah, bimbo.
Bimbo. When does it break?
Alright, what's up guys? We finally got the motor at HQ. The old motor's almost ready to go, but we have a few issues. So we thought we disconnected everything, but when we tried lifting it out, the transmission came along with it. So right now, we're taking off the intake manifold. I'm going to take apart the transmission from this motor. We're going to take apart that one and use that transmission on this one, because it looks like this transmission has a few problems with it. So yeah. What's up, Leo?
What up, yo, G, homie? What's up?
Has one of those fully put this in on my car.
Alright, what's up guys? Right now we're removing the axles so we can take out the transmission. There's some bitches to take out. We already got one, but I take out the second one. You know, hopefully this shit works. What's up guys? Alright, so we removed the axles. We pretty much removed everything. So we're about to lift it up, remove anything else that needs to be taken off. Alright, we finally got the motor out. This is the biggest bitch ever.
Shout out to Honda. And this stupid ass fucking plug. That's a bitch to get off.
But yeah, it's already at 2 in the morning. We're just gonna drop in the new motor some other day because we're fucking tired. What's up guys? So it's been a few weeks, but we're finally doing it. As you can see,
And we got a problem.
what's the problem?
You gotta drop the motor and move this freaking swing arm out more. 'Cause, yeah.
Alright, we'll be right back, guys. Alright, what's up, guys? So it wasn't clearing, so we had to extend the arm out a little bit. But, like I was saying, it's been a few weeks now. It's been a bitch. But it's finally going in.
I think it's only been like a week.
Nah, it's been like 5 months.
For real?
I don't know. Oh yeah, it's super fucking sketch too. Look at this shit. Bruh.
Bro.
Almost there, guys. Almost there.